My wonderful country people, how una dey oh, my people are dey greet una according to una time depending on where una for dey watch me. Yes, my country people we don come with another information wey be say we carry come. My people, una know say this thing when e be say happen to Queen May for Edochie family, na something when e be say if una look very well, envy dey cause the whole thing. My people, according to reports, the Edochie family, some of them, mostly the wives and some of the brothers, they were not happy with. In fact, I know saying when family, for some family like this, some people they progress, some people not they happy say this person they progress. Una know say Yul Edochie na be the last born, but at 22 he don't marry. When some of him seniors they never marry, he already married. So Yul Edochie quick marry, and God can't give him a very intelligent wife. So, and because of the love when he be say Sapet Edochie get for for Queen May, this thing can cause envy among other wives, even among the brothers self. So the thing cause envy, because what you go fit tell me like somebody like Uche, when Yul Edochie marry Judy, the way he can take react, although him talk say their family no support am, say but make some people put their and before people go they condemn Yul Edochie, make dem follow put themselves in the shoe of Yul. If na dem dey popular like that, because celebrity say women they rush them, all those kinds of say some people go down impregnate like 5 women, meaning that Yul is justify. Is it that he's trying to say Yul is justify? He can't go to even further say Yul Edochie should even marry, it should even be a Muslim. He would have make it just convert to Muslim so that the matter go end. I don't come understand. Come be like say he dey support am. According to wetin dem talk, they say Yul Edochie would advise against this marriage, but he did not listen to their advice. Uche Edochie wrote, I saw 2 main problems here. His first wife, Mary, a wonderful woman, and my sister-in-law did not go into relationship with my brother, agreeing to be part of this polygamous marriage. That is the first problem. So I feel for Mary. He dey hear am, so he say him feel for Queen May. It is not fair on her. My family are not in support. This is not what we do, and we try our best to console Mary. So the thing that they try to do now be say they are trying to console Mary. Mary take the whole thing in good faith, say then they sorry for am, say make e take am like that, say they say am so, say what else can we do? So the reason why Uche came out was to clear the family name, not even Queen May, was to even clear the family name, say no be because the thing don't they tell bad on the Edochie's family. Uche came out to clear, to let people know say the family, they are not, he just want to clear the family name. He can say the second issue is that Yul is not a Muslim. If he was a Muslim, no one will be talking about this. Muslim marry as many wives as they want and nobody say it. Thank God say say Yul Edochie no be Muslim. So he can't talk say we told you not to do it. He did it anyway. Have you ever tried controlling an adult when it comes to relationship? Good luck with that. Uche further said that Yul is an adult who feels marrying a second woman is the best way to own up to his mistake and make things right. It is tough. Women throw themselves at famous people so bad that it is suffocating. Now another justification on when Uche dey talk. He said if the average person walk in Yul's shoe for 1 year, they will get 5 or more women pregnant. So don't be quick to judge if you have not lived that life. Most people will do worse, he added. He added that maybe his brother should convert to Muslim and shut his circles down. Imagine. For me, if una see this word wey be say Uche talk, Uche be like two-face. Yes, e no be bird, e no be bite. But if you look very well, he supports Yul very much. One, he first of all emphasize on make Yul convert to Muslim so that make Ikuma shut everybody up. Two, he came out to defend the Edoches, that they are not in support. That instead of say, okay, they're not there in support, but he can say they feel for Mary, so make Mary bear, make it endure. So thank God. One thing I just want to let una know be say, thank God for God. Thank God now say the Edoches. Thank God say the Edoches now. They don't see how when person do evil, they don't see the reward of evil. They don't see how your Edoche they suffer down. They don't see that God uplift Queen May, because they gang up against Queen May. Yes, they gang up against Queen May. Say they're sorry for me. But envy, because one, when Queen May marry Yul Edochie, they were very young, and Queen May was doing very well. He make Yul Edochie progress very fast. When they say very fast, and because of that singular act, Sapet Edochie love Queen May so much, as in he loved Queen May well to the extent of anything what they want to do for the family, they will call Queen May. Other wives will be say the first marriage. Other wives, the one be say now they first come, all those first daughter-in-laws, they were not happy with Queen May. They go say, they say this one that just came in, Papet Edochie take as a right hand man. They do everything. If they want to do something like this, if Queen May never come, they no go do them. So the thing no go that way with them, and they were not happy. Another thing again, Sapet Edochie Sapet Edochie with Queen May father, they be very good friend. So Sapet Edochie don't just take Queen May like in daughter-in-law. He take her like his own daughter when he born. When I know say that affection is different from the ones where we say in they give the rest. So those things cause envy. Envy where we're among the wives. Among the wives. My people, the one will be saying he carry this whole matter the hawk for social media like gala. Now be the Leo wife. That is why when Leo even follow Yul Edochie, they support her, they no care. And if una look very well, all these wives then, no one don't come out, come talk one day, come speak against wetin no good. All of them just keep quiet. If they say and so, some of them they laugh, some of them they happy. But ever since when it be say the table can't turn, so Queen May can't dey progress. Queen May can't get her own nation. Brand people, different company come dey endorse her. Queen May come turn celebrity when he come big pass Yul Edochie. Now, all of them don't they regret. They don't they say and say, man no be God. They say and so. They don't say and say, man no be God. God is not a respecter of person. They say and so. Now, all of them now, shame don't be their portion. You can imagine somebody like Uche. They come out, they defend, say, it's very, very suffocating. You know, as I am Papa do am. Him Papa follow get that fame. At young age, him Papa na actor of Things Fall Apart. Things Fall Apart is all over the world. You dey see am so. Sapet Edochie, if him Papa fit do am without him Papa marrying 5 wives or give 5 women belle, according to Uche. How come they support bad thing? Those of them wey be say dem dey support bad thing say make Yul Edochie kukuma turn Muslim na. Make e turn the Muslim na. Wetin hold am? Imagine. Make una dey see the way be say some family member dem dey like to paint white to be black. Now wey be say the chiefs are down for Yul Edochie, how e be? Well, the last time wey be say Yul Edochie even beg this Uche when e dey open mouth dey talk say im fit for Queen May, im fit for her, make e console herself, all those kind of things. You feel for her. Now you dey open mouth dey talk say make Yul Edochie turn Muslim. Say that is it that for me from this statement when I just read, is trying to justify why e be say Yul Edochie give Judy pregnancy. Why? Because he is a popular person and women dey suffocate. Instead of you go talk say your brother is not a disciplined person. All these actors them when e full the movie industry, how many women they don't give belle? How many women they don't give belle? Now see, when some family people they know they try. When somebody they do bad thing and you they show am say you they show am some kind support, the person go they do the bad thing the more. The person go they do the bad thing the more. Yul Edochie give Judy Austin belle. Instead of few people should come out and outrightly condemn it and say they not be part of this one. You can't even they support your brother. They say make it turn to Muslim now, so that if now some people there for Yul Edochie shoe, they're gonna say easy. They're gonna say, for me, your brother is not a disciplined person, because we have your own papa. He was in the limelight right from his younger days till now. Now one wife now he marry. Now make you and your siblings una dey for one place. If to say now 3 different wives, now your papa marry, you for no even see man talk. Maybe they for don't use juju take by you. They say am so. Now this whole thing when it be say it happen, they don't even think and say their brother no dey discipline. I make can do this instead of them to outrightly condemn their brother. In the open mouth they talk say, if some of you, if you are in the shoe of Yul Edochie, they will pregnant up to 5 women. So now justification now because of saying popular. If not by like that, all these them Omotola them where we say them dey for husband house at a teenage age, jump from one place to another, born all in children, dey with him husband up till now. Joke Silva them, name them where we say them they happily married. So what are we saying? When your brother is not disciplined, instead of you to talk say your brother lacks self-discipline, you want to come dey justify am by saying that what kind of talk is that? You should change to Muslim so that the matter go end. The matter no go end though. See your brother life now. As in life don dabaru. As in life don dabaru. Every day go dey for social media, they dance. They do whether in go pepper Queen May. As if Queen May say now. Queen May we don't take her business to the next level. They cash out. They cash out on a daily basis. They cash out left, right, center, night, day, round the clock. In fact, Queen May don't pass that level. Queen May you don't pass that level. Now the truth be that Queen May has passed that level. So my people, now the matter when they ground be that. That is why they are telling Queen May, people when it be say it get sense. Thank God say our beautiful royal Queen May get sense. Then tell and say, no matter how the Edochies then try to paint this thing, they supported Yul Edochie. Leave all these in brothers, they went there, they do like say want it. The only person when no support Yul Edochie, now be Lincoln Edochie. The only person when no support
Yul Edochie when e be say condemn it outrightly, and no try to fine tune it, no try to paint her, no try to paint the whole thing make it look like beautiful. When person commit sin, you start to dey justify the sin, you try to dey paint the whole thing to make it look beautiful. Ugly situation na im dey try to make it look beautiful. Na im be this Uche. But somebody like Link Edochie, he no support. That is, he detests what Yul Edochie do right from the beginning till even now as me una dey talk. That is why he show. See, I'm not very. Link is a God-fearing man. Link, I remember when Queen May go for Enugu go do trade fair. Link went there now to show support. To show support was there. Among all the brothers dem, na Link na stand by for Queen May. This Yul, this Uche wey una dey see so, he never for one day like Queen May post. He just pretending. He never for one day like Queen May post. Leo the same thing. This their wife the same thing. The only person when e be say he support Queen May very well na Link and him wife. Lincoln and him wife. Two of them. When I see this Uche, na two-face. Na two-face o. Make dem no drag Yul Edochie again, make e kukuma be Muslim. As they drag am, e dey pain am. Then make the family dem no support, just to clear family dem, say their family dem no dey do like that. But that is the only way where Yul Edochie go take correct in mistake. You want to add mistake on top of mistake. I think when Kabili by all of them shocking. All of them know say this thing wey be say Yul Edochie go carry call say na Judy, e mean business. How can somebody just decide to beautify her own feeling? Person just go carry dirty put for inside her house. You say make the person stay with dirty. I mean the situation of Queen May. But thank God, in fact, you see this law of karma, e dey happen sharp. I just thank God say Yul Edochie don dey eat the fruit of him labour. He don dey eat the fruit of wetin him sow for ground. He don dey reap am. Look at Queen May. Queen May is doing fine, and the Edochies, they are no longer happy. They are no the situation where, hey God, you see how they say if we run finish, we go count the mile. After the race, count mile. You dey see am so. The Edochies now they are full of shame. They are not happy because they are not happy of what Yul Edochie have turned into. When he was with Queen May, he was doing very well, commanding respect. But now look at it. So the Edochies now they find where we say, those one will know for a lot of them, even including this Uche, they regret because he's not happy. Their brother they use out of depression, they bring shame to them. Shame now, so that they shame up and down. Especially when Judy and Yul don't come to come dance down their Suruge they dance. The thing go they make them they shame. Una never start to see shame. The kind shame where we say Yul Edochie go bring it to the Edochie's family. Those of una wanna do kurukere waka, they secretly they support Yul Edochie because there's no smoke without fire. Toad no they run for daytime for nothing. It's either in they find something or something they find am. So Yul Edochie came out with full chest. They do him be proud polygamy. Now because of wetin he hear in parents, there is he hear the family that they talk, in brothers that they talk. Now because of he hear wetin that they talk, he has already owned up. He has already made mistake. Just to correct the mistake, that is why he decided to go for Judy. That Queen May should be consoled, and that if people are in the shoe of Yul Edochie, they will marry they will impregnate more than five women. Why your papa will be pet Edochie no pregnant women? Why your papa when I sapet Edochie you no pregnant women? You dey see am so. So my people, now the matter when they grab it that too. The Edochies now shame now don't they catch them because they see say the Queen May will be say they live for one corner, make Queen May go they cry. Make Queen May go they cry. Queen May they happy. Now their son and they frustrate. Up at that they dance, they frustrate. Depression won't buy a mass. Yul Edochie they see Queen May they progress. The whole thing they scatter in Mendola Oblongata. una never say anything. So that is it. Oh, God is God. God is not a man. So my people, this na morning gist. So make una like, make una share this video. On a happy Saturday morning. Una have a nice day. Bye.